White, blue.
Okay. First possession for the Team Bulldogs. Rooster for green, no good. Rebound by Brandon Mejia. Rebound by Rooster. Three-point shot by Galvez, no good. Rebound by Aniel. To Suarez. She makes it. Oh. 2 points by Suarez. Rodriguez to Lucia. 3-point shot by Lucia. The score is 3-2 in favor of Bulldogs. 2 points by Eric Santos Jr.
Compliment nila eh, no?
3 seconds.
Steal by Brandon.
Si Carl hindi na agad sila. Anong for free? Wala lang free sa mundo.
2 points by Ron Banda. Now Brandon Mejia. Excuse me.
Ang sarita ng ulo ko.
3-point shot by Aniel. No good. Rebound by Suarez. Pass to Brandon. Steal by Ron Banda. Oh, turnover by Bulldogs.
Yan kasi. Nagsisolo flight.
Tulog pa nga daw si Brandon. Now Ron Banda. Pass to Galvez. To Lucia. Power move. 2 points by Big Nick Lucia. The score is 7-4. Aniel. 2 points. Aniel Castro. Moving. 3-point shot by it's good. Rodriguez. Aniel. Drive again. Rebound by Bondo. Ron Bondo. Guarded by whoa. Shot. No good rebound by Aniel. Suarez. Binitbit na naman. 2 points by Mr. Suarez, number 10. Rodriguez. Side step move. To Ron Bondo. To Galvez for 3. No good. Rebound by number 30, Eric Santos Jr. All the way. 2 points by Santos. Number 30.
I doubt 10.
Yeah, the score is all 10.
Sikat niya lo, ang equal. Hello? Nasaan ka? Time out ka muna. Time out muna. 3 minutes. O, 4. Huwag na, na-late na yung mag-umpisa na. Nag-start. Sabihin mo, ewan ko. Oh, kasi simula pa lang. Mainit. Okay, bye-bye.
Tayo, alam mo naman.
Lang yung 30 sinel.
Eh, hindi naman panalo.
Time out muna dili ko doon na konti. Sa kanya na lahat ng siguro ah.
Saan yung foul dito ba? Pag dito, no?
Kaya. Who's foul? Sino yun? Sino foul?
Steal.
Sino foul?
Number 8. For Aniel foul. Brandon Mia. 2 points. Gazes. To Big Nick. To Lucian. To Rodriguez for 3. No good. Rebound by Suarez. Pass to Brandon. Tumorma po.
The captain.
The captain, Brandon Mejia for 3. Oh, nice pass to Mr. Lucia from Ron Banda. The score is 14-15. Aniel, oh, same ball. Steal by Ron to Galvez. Oh, and one! Foul Eric Santos Jr. And one substitution.
Mas pumasok ba? Counted. Right?
Counted. Pasok. Pasok. Bonus free throw. Violation of Skeda. Okay, the ball free throw crowd is now rebound by Mosqueda. Oh, foul by Ron Bondo. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Now, Dwayne, the rifleman! Pasok! Magandang gising ni rifleman.
When the play.
Now, Rodriguez to Galvez. Nice pass to Ron. To Lucia. And one. Who's foul left? Number 13. That's your second personal foul, Eric Santos. And third team foul.
Third.
Yeah, third team. Bonus free throw to Mr. Big Nick Lucia. Pasok po. The score is 19-18 in favor of the Mighty Four. Mosqueda, 2 points. Now, Ron Banda to Rodriguez. Oh, to Big Nick. Oh, mate. Rebound by Dwayne. 3-point shot by Dwayne. No good. Rebound by Ron. Oh, turnover. Masyado pong malakas. Ernst Flores to Dwayne for 3. Lakas po. Rebound by Mosqueda. Ernst Flores for 3. Rebound by Rodriguez. To Galvez. To Rodriguez. Turnover. 50 seconds remaining. Mosqueda. Right. Oh, no good. Rebound by Dwayne, pero kinalawit. Pasok. 2 points by Dwayne. Now Ron. To Rodriguez. A good rebound by Big Nick Lucia. Power move, another rebound. Oh, foul! Dwayne Bello. Yeah. All right, 2 free throws to be awarded to Big Nick Lucia.
Second quarter na ba?
Yeah,
Isa pa?
isa. Pasok.
Yan.
I-reset mo lang.
Pasok pareho. Mosqueda to Suarez. Shot, no good rebound by Lucia. Turon. Now Ron Bondo goes over. Nice move. 2 points by Ron Bondo. It's 23-22. 1 point lead by the team. Oh, foul, Ron. Tumunog po. Second personal foul, Ron. Shot by Ernst, rebound by Lucia to Galvez to Rodriguez. Steal. Oh, Jaco. White ball. Now Rodriguez to Lucia. Power move, 2 points by Big Nick Lucia. Steal. Now Rodriguez. Oh, target by blue ball.
Sa isang bola.
Time out, time out.
Babalik ako dito.
Oo, wala. Siguro nga lang yun. Tapos wala pa.
Hindi, wala pa ako sa kaya.
Okay, white ball. Galvez. Boarding, okay. Rebound by Dwayne. Dwayne Bello. Nice pass to number 23. Mosqueda. 2 points by Chino.
Mahilig ka doon ka na.
Nice pass to Rodriguez. Shot by Rodriguez. 2 points from Ron Bondo. It's 27-24. 4 3-point lead. Oh. Nice pass. Mosqueda to Ernst Flores. 2 points by number 90. Rodriguez. Lucia to Rodriguez. Black. Up. And one again! Ang lakas po nung number 8 na to. And one.
Kobe pala yun eh.
Yeah. Yun yung number 8, Brian. Bon speed throw. It's good. Score is 30-26. Steal. Oh, foul. Who's foul? Oh, Lucia, foul. Okay, free throw. Alright, serve. The captain, Brandon Mejia, number 19. In. Flores out. No good by Dwayne. Now Ron, nice pass to Rodriguez, to Galvez for 3. No good rebound by Brandon Mejia. Whoa, steal. Number 23. That's 2 points. It's 29-30. Dinotower team na po si Disney. Foul, number 23. Mosqueda.
Personal foul. Yeah.
Free throw by Bondox. No good. Sab. Okay, 13 in. Mosqueda out. We'll see the second free throw of Ron. Good. For 1 point. 31-29 is our score in favor of Bulldogs. 3-point shot by Dwayne. No, the rebound by Suarez. Over steal. Daniel. Nice pass to Suarez. 2 points by Suarez. Score is all 31. All 31. Nice move by Ron. No good. Rebound by Suarez. Number 41. Dwayne. Shot. 2 points by Dwayne Bello. Now, Trappers is leading by 2 now. Now, Galvez. Shot by Galvez. No good rebound by Brandon. To number 30. Eric Santos. We need 2 points by Eric Santos Jr. Rodriguez. 3-point shot by Rodriguez. 2 points. 34-35 is the score. Now Eric Santos to Dwayne for 3. Oh, bumawi. Bumawi po. 30-34. Foul. Backing, it's a violation. Okay. You're good?
Oh, blue. Great.
Okay. 41. Number 8. Good fake for 3. It's a 3 points by Aniel Castro. Nubi. 41-34 now. It's our score. Wrong. For 3. No good rebound by Ernst. For Brandon, a steal. Almost steal. Same ball. Turnover. Bradley. Now. Rodriguez. Nice move by Mr. Galvez. 2 points. Ernst Flores to Aniel Nugit. Oh. To Brandon. To Aniel for 3. Another 3 points by Aniel Nugit. 1 to Galvez. Steal? Completed? No. Completed. Suarez, 2 points. Run to Rodriguez to Galvez. Oh! Same ball.
Bas.
It's 12 seconds remaining. 12 seconds remaining. 9.
5 seconds.
Wala na. No more. Okay, Ernst Flores. Filipino rebound by OG Mamba.
OG Mamba. No, the living legend.
The living legend. Nice pass to foul and 1. Unstoppable talaga to si Big Nick.
Wala si Big D sa amin.
Wala daw double team eh. Huwag nyo daw double team. Bonus free throw by Nick. No rebound by Aniel. Nice crossover. Dire-diretso mo talaga yung bola. OG Mamba. To Ron. Up. Foul, Eric Santos Jr. I think that's your 3rd personal foul. Now, Rodriguez to Ron. Comes wide. Ang galing yung sa lang pasok na yun. Sumingit masikip. 2 points by Ron Bondo. Aniel. 3-point shot by Aniel. Wow, nakatak mo na to. Now Ron. Score is 14-49 in favor of the defending champion Shockers. Now Rodriguez. To OG Mama! 3! Short. Malamig pa lang ng number 10. Laid in by Mr. Nugit. Good for 2.
Kaya na yung naman
Sabi yung libre ba? Ayun yung nila. Si Kaloy, yan o.
3-point shot by Rodriguez. Now the rebound by Ernst. Inilagan yung bola. Now, Suarez. To Ernst. No good. Rebound by Ernst.
Dinilis talaga yun.
Excuse me. Alright. Rebound by Galvez. Up to Rodriguez. To Galvez for 3. No good. Rebound by Big Nick.
Pasok!
No, save. Pinasagol na pasok sa kalaban. No, forward. Now, Aniel. To Eric Santos. To Brandon for 3. Malakas. Good pass out by OG Mamba. Nice by Ron. Rebound by Big Nick. Oh! Nice pass. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez. 3-point shot by Rodriguez. 3 points. It's 43-51. The score in favor of the Shockers. Ang ganda ng mga moves na yun. Move na yun pala.
Babaliw lang.
OG Mamba. No good. To Eric Santos. Na Eric Santos. Three.
Walang
No.
junior eh.
Oo nga, walang junior. Next time. Brandon for three. Malakas. Box out na naman yung OG Mamba. Another rebound. The leading legend. Three-point shot to. Nice. Setup move. Foul. Mr. number 10. Suarez. Sa substitution after the first free throw, Rifleman and Mosqueda. See the free throw by number 4, Rusya. First one is good. See the second one. Good again. Matindi. Eric Santos Jr. To number 8, Aniel for three. No good. Rebound by OG Mamba. The leading legend to Galvez. Nice to pass to Ron. Shot by Ron, 2 points by Ron Bomba. Now, Dwayne Bello, sidestep move. No good. Rebound by OG Mamba again. Whoop. Nice pass to 2 points by Piglet Rusya. Pagod na yata. Steal. Now, shot no good. Rebound by Ernst Flores. To Dwayne, no good. Rebound by Ernst. To Mosqueda. To Aniel. Timeout. White.
Ano tol? Mamaya.
Galvez to Ron Bonda to Okinamba to Galvez. Mosqueda to Eric Santos Jr. To Rifleman for three. That will be pumped by OG Mamba.
Hindi ako matapos.
Nakakalima na yata to, 6 na rebound. Ron, no good. Oh, ang galing ng mga moves na yan, no? Napaganda.
Pang-anim na yun ah.
Ang dami ng rebound na. Billy Cruz yan, ano sa 3. 3-point shot. No good, rebound by Gustavo Foul, Ernst Flores. That's your first personal foul and 2-team foul. Russia. Oh, no good. Rebound by Ernst Flores. To Wayne Bello for three. Another 3 points by Wayne.
Yung feeling ng laban na to. Ha?
Ang galing ng setup na yun. Eric Santos Jr. to Dwayne. To Aniel. The bullet. No, ang galing ng box out na naman. Ni OG Mamba. Nakakawalong rebounds na yata yun. Napaganda. Follow up by Rodriguez. 2 points.
Tama ba?
51-58. Rifleman to Basqueda to Eric Santos Jr. for 3. Rebound again by Mamba. OG Mamba, nakakasiyam na yata yan. Oh, no good. Oh, nice pass. Same ball.
Fish shitty legs.
Yeah. Okay, Aniel to number 30 to Mosqueda for 3. 3 points by Mosqueda. 61-51 is the score in favor of the defending champion Shadows. Aba, ganda ng mga moves na yan, ha? Nag-steal ko, nag-Dwayne. Oh! 2 points, nice pass by Dwayne to Mosqueda. Now, Rodriguez for 3. Oh! Nothing but net.
Hey, last shot. Yeah, 15 seconds, Eric. Go now. 15.
It's 54-63, 9-point foul by Rodriguez. Okay. Alright, the end of our third quarter. 2 free throws. Okay, first one is good. Eric Santos Jr. Let's see the second free throw. No good. The score is 64-54. Okay, let's go. Bondo. Nice pass. Foul. 3-point shot by Gazes. No good rebound by Suarez. To Mosqueda. Nice pass to Dwayne. To Suarez. No good rebound by Mosqueda. To Dwayne Bello for 3. No good. Rebound by Eric Santos Jr. To Brandon. Oh! 3 points by Brandon Mejia.
Dito ba yung foul? Foul na po dito.
Hindi.
What's this one?
3-point shot by... Hold on, si G. Tama.
Tama.
84. We got like 30.
Okay. Nice pass. No good rebound by Biggie Crucia. 2 points by Nick. It's 58-67. Now Dwayne to Brandon for 3. Oh! Umuulan kay Brandon. Nakatatlo na to.
Maganda na, hit-hit na na. Bato! Bang bang!
to Dwayne for 3. No good. Rebound by Big Nick. Oh! Nagkatungguan po ng basketa. Steal. Galing ng... Oh! Steal din. Binikpitan ni Mr. Suarez. 2 points. Rodriguez.
Tira mo na.
To Ron, nice pass. And one was foul. Oh, Suarez, foul. That's your 4th personal foul, Suarez. Second team foul. And one sub. Bonus people. It's no good. Rebound by Krista. Oh, another rebound. Power move by Big Nick. For 2. 66-75. Steal. By Ron. Rodriguez to Mamba. To Big Nick. Another 2 points by Nick Lucia. 75-64. Dwayne Bello, 2 points by Dwayne. Oh. Rebound by Rodriguez. Oh, yan na. 2 points by number 30, Eric Santos Jr.
Pero ba time out?
Meron pa. Time out!
Hindi na kaya.
Bola pa nung kalaban. Huli!
Ang ganda ng layup na yun dun sa Mr. Captain. Okay, let's go. Foul Dwayne.
Baka may sasabihin.
Hindi nagreklamo.
Dwayne Bello, foul.
Ole, pwede nagreklamo.
Now, number 5. What's over? Foul. Who's foul? Number 8, Aniel. Second personal, Aniel. Ano yun?
66 daw, 66, KD. 66 lang ha. Very good, brother.
Tama, 66, alright. Thank you very much. Nice scoring game. Aniel to Dwayne, 2 points by Dwayne Bello.
I think we're gonna break the world record right now, man. We need 100 points.
Rebound by Aniel. Shot by Aniel, 2 points by Aniel. It's 83-66. Foul number 41, Dwayne. Substitution, Brandon Mia, number 90, June.
Naku, yung problema ko, yung ganda-ganda ng parking ko. Ano ka ba? Andi dito lang yung parking ko. Gusto.
Hindi, meron dyan sa harapan.
Three-point shot by Orgy. No good. 2 points by Dwayne. 85-66. Points by Oji Mamba. The living legend. The living legend. Aniel, another rebound. 2 points by Amiel. 87-68. Ojimamba. Now, number 30. Oh, foul by number 15, the living legend, Oji Mamba, Carmelo Rapuy.
Next week, ha? Yung isa. Yung isa kasama ko.
First one is, pasok ba? Oh, good. By Eric Santos Jr. Let's see the second one. It's good again. Scores 89-68. Pass to nabitawan po. Ball. Two points by Eric Santos. 91-68. Okay. Second game, ready? Swish City versus Pass. Eric Santos, 2 points again by Eric Santos. It's 93-70. High scoring game, 93. Oji Mamba to run to Oji for 3. Short. No good. Rebound by Eric Santos to Dwayne Velo for 3. Whoa! 96-70. To run, Bondo, 23 for 3. Galvez. 96-73. Magwa 100 na po tayo. To earn 2 points. 98-73. Dalawa na lang for the record. For the record already. Shield!
Come on.
Na Mosqueda is 100 na. Alright, that's it. Second game, Pass versus Win.